Hi, I'm Arwen Ek, the Strategic Shaman. After more than a decade in nonprofit administration and over $250,000 in successful grants, I've learned one thing: strategy and spirit are not separate. When they align, results flow. Here on Strategic Shaman TV, I share the exact tools, systems, and insights that help my clients write winning grants, build authentic partnerships, and grow their impact without burning out. You'll find tutorials for my grant tracking spreadsheets, step-by-step videos on the 5 steps to writing winning grants program, and holistic strategies for leading with clarity and confidence. Whether you're a nonprofit founder, creative entrepreneur, or purpose-driven leader, this channel is your sanctuary for strategy with soul. Subscribe, breathe, and let's build something beautiful together.